everyone, my name is Maddie and today I'm going to show you how to do bottle rockets. Don't forget to get your parent or guardian's permission before beginning this activity. So in order to do this, you will need white vinegar, baking soda, 3 popsicle sticks, a cork and a bottle. Make sure that the cork can fit into the bottle snugly, some construction paper or decorations for your rocket, tape, and scissors. Right, so in order to do this activity, you do have to start by making a little sachet of baking soda. So I used a square of toilet paper, poured a little bit of baking soda in it, and tied it with a string. And then you get to decorate your bottle rocket. So I made little wings for mine, and you can tape it on there like this. So it looks like this. And then what you're gonna do is you can either tape or glue your popsicle sticks. I find it easy to stick them into the label like this, and then you can tape around just to make sure that they're super secure. But you wanna make sure that there's enough space above the lid of the water bottle because this is gonna help the water bottle stand up. So you wanna make sure that they're evenly dispersed around the entire water bottle. Perfect. And then before you go outside, you can pour your vinegar in. And it should be about this much. And we'll take you outside and show you how to actually make your bottle rocket fly. All right, so in order to make your bottle rocket fly, what you're gonna do is you're going to quickly pop your baking soda pouch into the water bottle. It should already have vinegar in it. And then you're gonna pop your cork on the top, make sure it's nice and tight. And then you're going to flip over the entire bottle and set it down so it's balancing on the popsicle sticks. All right, so I'll show you how to do it. If it doesn't balance, you can hold the bottom and you can let it fly. Just like that. All right, that's bottle rockets. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. Happy science.
Bye, Long.
Bye, Long Beach.